Gradebook 3.0, creating assignments and entering grades. In the old system, we would go to the Def screen, and we can do the similar sort of thing with Gradebook Setup. Then we'd be on the Assignments tab. We could set a due date, choose the category, give it a title, give it points, and then here's something different. We can choose to change our publish amounts, and we'll do this with the new assignment. So I already have one assignment created here. I would go to the plus button and click Add. So there's the due date that I would have to select, the category to choose from, and this little Publish button. There's Publish Scores to Home Access Center, Publish the assignment to Home Access Center, Publish the scores to Home Access Center. But let's look at a different way, and a way I think that most people are going to be using in the future, be a little bit more comfortable with, directly from the gradebook. So I clicked Gradebook Entry to take me to the gradebook. Or if I'm on the home screen, I can go directly to the gradebook by clicking on the B+. So here I am in a gradebook, and I already have one assignment set up. And if I want to enter grades, I just put my cursor in the box, enter the score, hit return or tab, and you'll see quickly in the upper left hand corner a little triangle that flashes past. That shows that it's auto saving. If that triangle stays there, that means it has not saved. So up here I can say I want to change how this is published. So I can change that to publish the assignment only in Home Access Center or publish the scores. But for the most part, for 99% of our assignments, we always want this published. So this is always up here kind of as a little beacon to say, hey, you haven't published me. So we always want this to be green. Over to the left, we have some choices that we can do. We can do a mass entry of update scores. We can say I want every score to be a 15. And I want it to override the scores. I click Apply, and now notice that every single grade is a 15. I can clear all the scores in the same method, and there's an import scores from file which we have not investigated fully yet. Now if you have the gradebook here, the snazzy way to add is just to go over here to add assignments. You click on that and you have a shelf that comes out. And it's the same sort of thing as the old Def screen, but just a different visual. So we'll say Unit 2. We're going to give it assignment date. You can give a longer description if you'd like. You select the category that it goes in. You select the points that it's worth. And then here's the Publish button again. You click that twice for it to be published. If you want to copy this assignment now to other classes, you can do it directly from this screen. So you say Copy, and I want to send it to every other test prep class that I have. So I click those 3 other test prep classes. I click OK. The assignment is now created, and it will be in these other classes as well. Just like in the past, if that due date is beyond the current date, you'll see a solid blue bar, and that grade will not calculate until you have reached that date. The grade and the averages will show in the live version. Again, we're in the training center here. Now I can go directly to another class right from this screen. I can select Change, go over to that screen, and notice in the other class, now there's the class that I copied over for that homework assignment, and you can enter grades in directly from there.